How did your marriage end, and how old were you? I was 38, and my husband was 42 at that time when our marriage ended. It is not the typical reason you are expecting, and so was I. Weeks prior to his confession, we stopped making love and showing affection. It was killing me inside. I can remember the night where he sat me down in our living room, and he told me that he has something to tell me, and I can hate him if I want to. I stopped him there because my heart was racing, and I thought he was cheating on me. Well, he told me that he met his old friend in college. He realized a lot, and that he is unhappy, and that this is not him. I asked what happened and what he meant, and there he confessed that the friend he met was not just a friend. He was my husband's lover in college. He has been hiding this big secret from me for a very long time. My heart sank, and I knew the home I built was gone. 14 years I put myself into was gone in one night. I cried so much because I don't know what to do and where I will be now. He was my home. We filed for divorce just 2 weeks after the talk. He left our home, and he moved to a different city and happily lived with his lover. I am now 47 and alone. Still hopeful I will find love again.